Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back once again. And today I'm going to show you how to reset and restore your TV box to its factory settings. I'll show you in a quick, practical, and really simple video so you can understand step by step how to do this. Just a reminder, this works for all TV boxes, okay? In other words, the Android system works the same way for all TV boxes. Usually, the language might be different, or the menu might be in a different place, but it's going to work for all of them, guys. You'll be able to restore your device to its original factory setting. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, share this with your friend who's having issues with freezing, and also, don't forget to leave your like and your comment at the end of the video. I will reply to everyone. Alright guys, let's get to it without too much talking. Here's what you're going to do first. You're going to go into settings, okay? As you can see, my system looks a bit different, but it's still a TV box, right? It's an MXQ, as you can see. The Pro, and it works the same way. If you want to download this ROM that's showing on the screen, the one I'm using, Selinga, it's a really lightweight ROM, and I'll leave the link in the video description for you. But let's get back to the video. Here you go into settings, right? A gear icon will show up, you click on it, and then you'll come here, look. In this option, more settings. You go into that option, and you'll end up on this screen. Scroll down a bit here, guys, and look for this next option, which is backup and reset. Just a reminder, guys, if you have any apps with passwords, like a TV app or anything else, make sure to save those passwords. If you haven't written them down, do it now, because this is going to completely reset your TV box, okay? It's going to erase all your settings, all your saved passwords. It's going to wipe your TV box completely. It's important for you to know your password, right? Know which apps you have on your TV box, so you don't lose those apps or end up not being able to recover your password. You're going to click here on Backup and Reset. Here, guys, you'll see this option right here, Factory Settings. You're going to click right here. And a little further down, you'll see this option show up, Reset Phone. You're going to click on it. Here, guys, it's important. Like I told you, it's going to erase everything and you can undo this action. If you don't know your app passwords or which apps you have installed, it's important to write them down because it's going to erase everything, right? It's going to reset, but it will fix the freezing problem on a lot of TV boxes, no matter the model or version, and you'll be able to improve its performance. You just click on Erase Everything, right? Here it's going to reset to the original settings.
"2,000 years later."
So guys, I skipped ahead a bit in the video, okay? It reset all the factory settings, right? To keep the video from getting too long, I skipped ahead, and now there aren't any apps installed, right? From known sources. You'll have to reinstall the apps that aren't part of the system itself. The ones you installed later on when you started using the system and setting up passwords, right? And add your accounts again. That's why it's important, like I told you, to write down any passwords you might not remember, okay? If you haven't memorized them, it's important to have them written down here. I'm going to go back here to the main menu. Here in Settings, see? If it's set to another language, you go to the globe icon, right? You enter settings by tapping the gear icon. Then you go into this globe icon here, okay? And you'll look for the language Portuguese. Once you switch back to Portuguese, your app will be in the correct language. And just a reminder, this factory reset can fix some issues. like freezing, in case, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, if your app is restarting or closing by itself, right? If you're not able to use it, you'll be able to solve these problems. If it's a system issue, you can also update the ROM on your TV box. Maybe install a lighter ROM that doesn't put as much load on the system, right? Just remember that these TV boxes here run Android 7.1, which is already an old version of Android, so you'll need a much lighter ROM for that. If you want to update or try out new ROMs, just make sure that your board is compatible, that your TV box is compatible. Otherwise, you could end up breaking your TV box, or it might stop working, right, guys? So that's what I wanted to share with you all, this factory reset. If you have any questions about the process, leave your comment below and I'll reply to everyone. Also, leave a like and subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. And share it with your friends. Thanks. See you next time. I'm out.